Hey kids, Miss Kulkarni here. In this video, let's talk about thermodynamics. And we will begin first with energy. So what exactly is energy? Energy is nothing but the ability of a physical system to perform some work. Now what are different forms of energies? There are some examples: mechanical energy, heat energy, bond energy in some chemicals, and light as well as electrical energy. Now let's remember our first law of thermodynamics. According to the law, energy cannot be created or destroyed. However, it can be only transformed, converted into other form. There are also variety of forms of energy, but they all will fall under two broad categories. And the two categories will be kinetic and the next will be potential. So let's find out more about these two. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. If any object is moving, that will possess kinetic energy. And the formula is half mv square, where mass is in kilogram and velocity is in always meters per second. So the final units for energy, that's joules, or it will be kilojoules. About temperature, the measure of average initial kinetic energy is considered as temperature. So what it means is, higher the temperature, higher is the movement and higher is the kinetic energy. Heat is always referred to also as thermal energy, and transfer of kinetic energy will always take place from higher temperature to a lower temperature. Alright, what are the different ways by which heat can be transferred from one place to other place? Here are some examples: conduction, convection, and radiation. And a figure which is shown over here displays all those different modes. So what is conduction? It is transfer of heat without actual motion of the particles. Just like in case of here, the handle will be transferring heat from one place to other place. Convection is the one in which molecules actually move. And the example is shown over here. The liquid which is boiling, the molecules are constantly moving. Radiation is the one which is with or without any medium. So like the heat radiated from the fire, or also the heat coming from sun to earth is an example of radiation of energy. Now let's talk more about potential energy. What is it? It is the energy that is stored in the substance. In physics, we relate this energy with the position of the object. In chemistry, however, it is because of two things. One is because of the bonding and the other because of the intermolecular forces. Energy will be released when bonds are formed, and energy is required to break the bonds. Just simply when we consider if we have to break any object, we need to put the energy. We need to apply the energy. So for breaking the bonds, we need energy. And of course, when bonds are formed, energy is released. And keep in mind, the potential energy is always stored in bonding structures. So now you know what's energy in thermodynamics. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's talk more in our next video. See you again. Bye.